Hey guys, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I wanted to do this video for people who are either new to putting any type of retinoids on their skin or maybe get a lot of irritation when they try to use regular Retin A's. This is a great option for you. I am a big fan of anything K-beauty, and I'm a big fan of anything that comes under the umbrella of the #1 Korean brand, Amore Pacific. I believe this particular company, I think it's pronounced, or I think you call it IOPE, or it's just said IOPE. But anyway, it's a company that's kind of under the umbrella of Amore Pacific, which is kind of the mothership, which I really love. I love so many products from Amore Pacific. This is a great option for people that want to use a retinol that isn't going to be irritating to their skin and be very gentle. It is called just Retinol Super Bounce Serum. This product was gifted by the company IOPE for my review, and it is a 4 times the strength retinol. This is the dispenser for the product. Amore Pacific is really a lab-based functional skincare brand. They're very big on research. IOPE, or the company IOPE, is also a very in-depth research skincare brand. They're big on doing in-depth research on skin materials and skin technologies for different skin concerns. So this is a great option for people that maybe aren't doing full strength Retin A or can't do full strength Retin A and want to do a retinol that's going to be gentle to their skin and not cause any irritation. It's also great for maybe retinol beginners who are just starting to get into retinols and want to get their skin kind of built up to using full strength Retin A someday, but are just starting out, or even younger people that, really don't want to do full strength Retin A, because I wasn't doing full strength Retin A when I was in my 30s, or really, I don't think I even started till I was like 45, I think. This is a great option to kind of start putting retinols on your skin to help with fine lines and wrinkles, help with elasticity, help with firmness, help with the texture of your skin, because retinols and Retin A really will leave your skin looking much smoother. And I even think it helps with a little bit of sagginess. Now, obviously, it's not going to give you a facelift, but over time, I really think that Retin A and retinols combined can really help with all the skin concerns that happen when you're aging. And this is really such a nice, gentle formulation of a retinol. What I like to use these for is I use full strength Retin A at night, but sometimes I like to double dip and I will put a retinol on in the morning. So I'll do sometimes full strength Retin A at night, and then I'll put a retinol like this on my skin in the morning to give it kind of a double hit of retinoids. If you read anything about retinols, and if you've done anything with retinols and Retin A, you know that they are so great at helping, especially, I think, skin texture issues. I think it will leave your skin looking very smooth. I'm just a big fan. And like I said, I'm a huge fan of K-beauty, and I am a huge fan of anything that comes under the umbrella of Amore Pacific. The one thing I did want to mention is, and I found interesting, is they said that this particular product is formulated with a green tea derived lacto-exosome and very soothing cypress, which is really going to help with hydration of your skin and help to improve your skin barrier. So I wanted to show this product. It's not a company. It's kind of in a lot of people's faces when it comes to advertising, at least not in this country. However, it can be purchased where I purchase a lot of my skincare. It can be purchased on the Amazon website. I will leave a link for this retinol from IOPE down in my description box. It does give the amount of time that it's fresh fresh, which it looks like to me is 12 months. And that's nice when they always put that on the back of a skincare product. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show this for anybody that's looking for a retinol that's going to be very soothing to your skin, not make your skin feel irritated, or for someone that just maybe doesn't do Retin A or anything, hasn't really gotten into using a lot of retinols or anything like that on their skin and want to kind of start dipping their toes in the retinol water. This is a nice product to start with because it won't cause any irritation. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. I'll leave all the information for this down in my description box. Bye-bye from Marla.